Hello and welcome to my channel, where I explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today, I'm going to talk about the future of drone flight, which looks amazing. Drones are a transformative technology that, over the next decade, will change in ways you likely never imagined. They will have applications in various fields like security, filmmaking, photography, and urban air mobility. They will also be enhanced by AI technology and predictive analytics, enabling them to perform more sophisticated tasks. The drone market is expected to grow from $2.6 billion in 2020 to $9.1 billion by 2030. That's a huge increase. But what are some of the factors driving this growth? One of them is the development of drones that can carry heavier loads and even transport people. These drones are called heavy-lift drones or advanced aerial mobility platforms. They can be more efficient and cost-effective than existing helicopter, truck, or ferry-based infrastructure, especially for goods that are of high social or economic value in areas that are not well served by current infrastructure. For example, remote, rural, and offshore communities can receive essential goods via autonomous aerial systems. Imagine getting your groceries or medicine delivered by a drone in minutes. Or imagine taking a drone taxi to avoid traffic congestion and pollution. These scenarios are not too far-fetched, as some companies are already testing and developing these services. Another factor is the advancement of drone technology in outer space. Yes, you heard that right. Drones are now out of this world. NASA successfully landed the Perseverance rover on Mars earlier this year, and it carried an important payload. The Mars helicopter, Ingenuity. This was the first time that drone technology has been tested on another world. The Ingenuity flight was short, but it's a Wright brothers moment. It flew in Mars' much thinner atmosphere successfully multiple times, and NASA extended its flights for another month of testing. This is just one small step in the exploration of drones in space. Who knows what other planets or moons we can discover with drones? Of course, none of this would be possible without the support of regulators and policymakers who are working to ensure the safety and security of drone operations. The Federal Aviation Administration recently enacted guidelines requiring a digital license plate that can remotely identify unmanned aircrafts. This is an important step for the integration of small unmanned aircrafts into the national airspace system. Other countries are also adopting more comprehensive frameworks to enable larger-scale drone operations. For example, Saudi Arabia could become a global leader for emerging drone technologies. It has established a center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution that focuses on drones as one of its key areas. It aims to develop policies and best practices that can foster innovation and collaboration in the drone industry. As you can see, the future of drones is bright and exciting. Drones will not only change how we move goods and people, but also how we explore new frontiers and possibilities. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.